Hi everyone, welcome to IR Tech channel. This is our new channel and today is our first video on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail with the help of Wondershare Filmora. The main reason why I'm using Filmora to create thumbnail is you don't require a subscription for it. Even you can do this task by just downloading the Filmora from their website, and just without subscription you can use it. My Filmora version is 12.5.0, and with the help of Filmora I am going to show you how you can create the thumbnail. For thumbnail you require some media thumbnail background. Get the background of your thumbnail. You can download for free from freepik.com, or you can use unsplash.com. So here there are different colors and different designs. It's completely up to you guys. The colors you like or the color which matches your thumbnail theme, you can download. So for example, I'm going to download from Unsplash. Let me go back and let's choose this one. So just assume that I'm going to make thumbnail for this video which I am recording right now. I will just save it. So now I required my picture plus a background image, and also I am using Filmora, so I have to download a Filmora icon as well. Click on images, let's take this one. I will click save as. Here you go. Filmora is open now. I will import the all images and I will show you step by step how you can do this task. So click here to import media and choose the destination, select all and click open. As you can see, I imported the all images. First thing, I will add the background of my thumbnail. You can just drag or you can just click plus. So here you have to select the aspect ratio. Click on this icon, change the project aspect ratio, and here you have to make sure that it's 16:9, which is YouTube default screen size, and then click OK. If it's not matching the as you can see, there is a black side popping up on the right side and on the left side. So in order to fix it, just right click here and crop to fit. So next step is you have to add the icon for the main icon. Like for example, I'm going to use Filmora, so my video title is how to make a thumbnail with the help of Wondershare Filmora. So obviously I have to add something related to Filmora as well. So what I will do, I will drag this image also over the layer, and if you just drag this red line, it will appear here. So here just click on this image and press Alt and C. Here you have to crop a bit. So from original ratio you have to change it to custom, and by doing this you can adjust its resolution. Okay, bit upwards, that's okay, fine. So now we will reduce its size. So as you can see, there is a white background of this image. So how we can remove this one? Double click on this image, click on AI tools, and from here just enable Chrome key and select this. Click anywhere where is a blank space, like here it's white, so I will click here. So as you can see, the background removed. So now it's looks bit blurry, so to make it more prominent, you have to change the settings. From image thickness, I will take it until I see that it's prominent. Yep. I will add my image here, so I will drag again my image and I will take it on the third layer. As you can see, my image is covering the whole screen. So what we have to do again, just click on it and Alt C, select the ratio to custom and just drag. Okay, fine. Now again, as you can see here, in my image there is a background which is white, so we have to remove it as well. The process is same. Double click, AI tools, enable Chrome key, and click here, and here you go. So now we will reduce its size and we will place here. So here to increase the uh, so here to increase to make more picture prominent, you have to increase its thickness. So I will just increase the edge thickness, and we will bit increase the tolerance and offset as well. So it's completely up to you how you want to keep your image in the thumbnail. The second step is almost done. Now the remaining thing is the text. To add the text, click on titles, and from here you can select any one. There are plenty of options here. You can choose as per your requirement, and so just drag on the fourth layer. As you can see, the text is appeared here. To make thumbnail text more prominent, just double click on it and click advanced, and from here just click on this and delete, because we are going to use our own font size and our own font. So we will that's why I deleted, and again I will click add text box, quick text, and here the text button came. So here I will write easy way to make thumbnail in Filmora 12.0 12.5.0. okay, so here comes the first part, because the text should be prominent and readable for the users. So I will click preset, and here you can see there is a lot of options of text colors. You can use the word art as well. So let's say I will use this one, and I will check either it's looking prominent on my layer or no. So we will drag it here and we will place the text on the top. Okay, now we will click again advanced, and then we will change the font. Here there are few things I just want to show you again. If you click on advanced, customize, and here there are a lot of options like type, text type, color fill, or gradient, or image fill. If we click gradient, it's look like this. If I click image fill, it's look like this. So you can change as per your requirement. Here you can add the text effect. Okay, this looks more prominent on my thumbnail background. If you go down, there is an option called outline. By default it's black. As you can see, my text outline is black. If I select any color, you can see the changes. So we will select the one which matches. Okay, let's say this one. Another option is shadow. If we enable shadow, and if we just increase the distance, it starts showing us the text shadow, which you can also add as if it's required. So this way, as you can see, it's giving us a shadow of our text. So I will click apply. Now this is my final product. As you can see, I have created a thumbnail for my YouTube video. I will increase its size to look more bigger. Fine. So now at the end, the main thing is how we can download this thumbnail. So if you see on the right side next to the speaker volume button, there is an option called snapshot. Just click on it and it will go to your snapshot folder in Wondershare Filmora folder. So now I will take a look. As you can see guys, it's full HD, so it looks more prominent in your video. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you are new on this video, please consider subscribing this channel, hit the like button, and also make sure you have hit the bell icon as well to get notified for our next videos. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.